guys, Amanda here with a quick tip video for Unity Stamp Company. I'm going to be demonstrating this card using the T.R. Jackson's Christmas Cuttlebug Mousse. It's so cute. I'm going to take a Tim Holtz mini stencil set. It's the plaid one, and I'm going to tape it down. Here you see that I've already taped down around my white cardstock. I wanted there to be a white edge around it. And I'm going to use my barn door distress ink, and I'm going to get all over inside all these little itty bitty nooks and crannies. The stencil's a lot of fun, but it has a lot of thin lines to it, so you got to make sure you get in all of those lines so that it all looks really, really nice. There we go. And now I'm going to come in with my black soot distress ink, and I'm going to get in around the edges just to give it a little bit of dimension to it. I thought it needed a little something. I didn't want it to look so uniformed. I wanted it to have a little bit of something extra. The nice thing about these stencils is that you can line them up and extend your project as far as you'd like them to go. So just lining up the little slots with the slots that I had already done really makes it for a really fun project and a nice way to use these stencils and extend the products you already have. Unfortunately, I did not wipe off my stencil before I came back in with the red barn door ink. So you'll see I have to fix it here. I come in with the black soot, get the edges, and then I take my stencil and I place it over top where I first went, and I just hit everything again with the black soot just to give it a uniformed look. So no big mistake. I'm going to take off my painter's tape from my white cardstock, and we're going to move on to, I used the Sizzix Tim Holtz Alterations embossing folder and Tim Holtz Alterations Sizzix Big Die, which is a lot of fun to use. I cut it out with my Big Shot, and now I'm going to put it in my embossing folder, and I'm going to go ahead and run that through my Big Shot. Now I'm going to come in with some vintage photo distress ink. I really love this combination of the Big Shot and the embossing folder, because then you get it all cut out and then it pops it up. So using some vintage distress ink can really give your project some extra dimension. I've come in with now ground espresso ink, and I'm going to ink up the edges, making sure that that bark layer looks really nice and dark. And I'm going to get the edgings really good, make it stand out just a little bit more. I didn't feel like the inside was dark enough, so I'm coming back in with some more vintage distress ink. You can see here that I went ahead and I sewed kind of wonky stitches around my already done card, or on the white cardstock that we had stenciled. And I'm going to glue on the wood and place it down on my card just like so. I had already put on foam square adhesive dots. I'm just going to pull the backings off here and then place my mousse right down on top of it. This mousse is so cute, and I can't wait to use it on more of my projects. I'm going to take the sentiment that I cut just part of it from, I didn't use the whole thing, and just glue it on there. And there you go, a cute little card. Thanks for watching. Bye.